In the storage and sorting world, there is a concept that is called broken off, that is to say, some things that are not used and not needed should not be left at home, but they are emotionally cut off and then throw away these things. Then, in the sorting, what kind of criteria are used to judge what should be thrown away and which ones should stay? The director of the Japan Specialist Accreditation Association, the organizer of the storage and finishing, Yi-and-jo, shared her judgment with the readers in the news. Yi-and-jo suggested that everything in the house should be fixed and develop into a good habit of using it. Then you can follow the principle of one in, one out, that is, if you have more things at home, you need to dispose of the things you don't need and control the number of items, so you don't need to sort out too much in the future. For some items that are not willing to give up, what should be thrown away can be judged by the following methods. First, judge what is not used for more than 1 year. Consider whether it will be used in the next year or not. Second, consider whether this thing is uncomfortable, unsuitable, or unnecessary. If so, leave it. Third, consider whether this thing makes you feel at ease. If so, keep it. If you feel that you don't feel it, don't fall in love, get rid of it. Fourth, Europeans and Americans will use the 20-to-20 rule, which means that this item can be bought for $20 in 20 minutes, then it can be disposed of. The time and amount here can be adjusted according to your actual situation. Fifth, build a virtual closet with a suitcase and put all the clothes you want to wear in this quarter. Then close the closet, wear the clothes in the suitcase every day, and open the closet 1 month later to know which ones are really needed and which ones won't. Sixth, do a skin sensitivity test, bone shape test, learn color management knowledge, etc. This knowledge can help you better grasp the coordination and fitness of clothes in the closet. In this way, you will no longer buy inappropriate clothes. The above is the method of breaking away from the unwanted things when storing and sorting.